friends! Today I am going to show you one of my favorite cookie recipes. They're called thumbprint cookies, and it's a 4 ingredient cookie recipe. It's seriously one of my all-time favorites. So I'm gonna show you how I got that done. Oh, I'm really struggling to open this honey jar, you guys. Alright friends, so in here I have 1 full stick of softened butter, softened, not melted, about 3.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. I usually prefer to use honey for everything, but I wrestled with my honey jar for a solid 3 minutes, so I used brown sugar instead, but it'll be fine. You'll need about a cup of flour. I only added like half a cup at a time. I'm going to mix it around with the butter and everything and see what the consistency is, and then if I need more flour I can add more flour, but if I'm good where I'm at then I'm gonna stay there. Also, I decided to add some vanilla. If you don't have any, you definitely don't need any. The recipe does not call for vanilla. I just personally like to put vanilla in just about everything that I bake. I feel like it really brings out the baked good flavor, if that makes sense. I don't know, but if you don't have any vanilla, that's totally fine. I happen to buy vanilla just about every time I go grocery shopping, so yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like after it's all mixed up. Bam! Here's what we got. This is why we needed the butter to be softened and not melted. I know some cookie dough recipes say you need melted butter, but you want to be able to like touch it and not have anything on your fingers except for butter, because we need to manipulate them into little balls so then you can make thumbprint cookies. This is what it should look like. I just made little patties. I'm going to put them in my toaster oven for about 10 minutes on 350, and then I'm going to make the little divots and put the jam in and let it cook for about 10 more minutes. I mix up the jam first in the jar, so then it's not, you don't get some cookies with giant chunks of fruit and other cookies with just like the sugar filling basically. That way you get like a nice even consistency. You don't have to stir up the whole jar. Just stir the spoon around a little bit, or the knife, or whatever you're using. Just stir the spoon around a little bit, or the knife, or whatever you're using. I have found that a spoon works a little bit better than a knife does, just because you can't really scoop with a knife, you know? It's been about 10 minutes? Did I say that already? I don't know. It's been like 10 minutes. Maybe 15. I wasn't timing it. Alright, with the rest of, so this was blackberry jelly, and with the rest of the cookies, I'm going to use some apricot jelly that I have, also in my fridge tour. The cookies are all done. I will put a picture of the finished product right here. Hi friends. This is future Sin, morning Sin, editing Sin. I ate all the cookies. Well, me and my husband and I don't know, both of us ate all the cookies. I actually filmed another video while I was eating one of the cookies, and I still didn't take a picture. I guess you'll just have to take my word for it, that they were absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I will keep making videos like this. I really bake all the time anyways. I don't really have anything else to do, especially with my food issue. I can't really eat anything else anyways unless I cook it. So if you have any suggestions for me that you would like to see me try to cook, let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you've made it this far, I hope you have a fantastic day. Mwah! Bye.